KYBI is implementing a project in Lamu for access to justice called the PRID project, that is Program for Legal Empowerment and Delivery in Kenya, that is funded by European Union through UNDP Amkeni wa Kenya. The program has been trying to provide access to justice, especially on alternative dispute resolution. So we have been working closely with the Office of Judiciary and also the Office of ODPP, that is Office of Director of Public Prosecution, whereby we have been training community elders, Chief and Nyumbakumi initiative on alternative dispute resolution, that is on issues of mediation, reconciliation, arbitration, and so forth. And the uptake has been good. So from the judiciary level, we have been able to enhance the diversion. So there are some cases which have been diverted back to the community, whereby issues especially regarding to land issues and issues that don't have big legal ramification. Hence, the alternative dispute resolution has greatly enabled the reduction of the backlog. For example, if you look at the current State of Judiciary Report 2018-2019, where more than 341,000 cases are still pending. So the alternative dispute resolution has enabled, especially the poor people, to be able to resolve some of the cases that are conflict at the grassroots level. We have been able to attend like more than three cases. One in Hindi, the other one was in Pangani, mostly involving land issues and land conflict that has been resolved well because in attendance there were people from Office of ODPP who were able at least to provide guidelines. And after the cases have been resolved, they will be able to go back to the Office of DPP and be able to sign the diversion forms to ensure that the agreement is tight solid in terms of resolutions that have been made by the members of ADR at the grassroots level. We have also gone to places like Faza, Kiunga, Peketoni, and so on, building just the capacity of Council of Elders, Nyumbakumi, to ensure that they have the grasp of how they are supposed to resolve their conflict at the grassroots level. Especially in Lamu, we have a challenge of logistics that are on a higher side, they're expensive because of the different logistical challenges because of the ocean, especially people coming from from the border of Somalia, that is Kiunga. So the program has really helped those people to have access to justice without necessarily having to seek the indulgence of the courts. We have also seen that the ADL is also working on areas of conflict between farmers and herders, which is very prevalent in this region. So we have seen a huge drop in terms of conflict that have been experienced over the past six months or so, reducing, which is a good thing. The project is also creating the sustainability aspect, since after the PRID project is over, we shall be having community elders, Nyumbakumi, chiefs who are well entrenched on the knowledge of alternative dispute resolution. So people will still be able to hold legal sessions and resolving their issues in a more amicable manner, away from conflict or through using adversarial approach in resolving conflict in the society. Away from the ADL, we have also been able to create a lot of awareness, especially on the emerging issues, especially on terrorism. Trying to sensitize the youth, especially on the POTA, that is Prevention of Terrorism Act. It has greatly enabled the youth themselves to understand, so that they don't find themselves in the wrong side of the law, ensuring that they also don't participate unwillingly on issues of terror activities. And finally, as we come to the end of the first year of this project implementation, as we plan for the next phase next year, we have also witnessed the need to have paralegal training, especially to the youth, so that they can also be able to educate and equip other youth with legal knowledge, so that we can be able to cross that gap, especially on how law is applied and how easily community can also be able to access justice. So the interaction between the judicial actors and the DPP has really enlightened the youth that there is a need for more awareness and more training on legal issues that will finally be able to ensure that we have people not being locked out from the access to justice in the region.